In this video, we're going to be looking at the basic usage of the clone tool. You can select it by pressing the S here, clone stamp tool. And in this case, this example, we want to remove the reflection of this flag from the water here. And I think the clone tool is a very good candidate to do this, and it'll show you, give you an idea of what the clone tool and how to use it. You might want to incorporate it with some of your images to remove some things from it in a pretty easy way, really. So we just adjust the size of the circle by using our brackets. We need to press option and just select the parts we want to blend in together. So we just press say this area here, because we want to make all this look like the water, so it removes the flag. So we'll just put that to that size, and then just click and see how it looks, and we can option it by pressing the option. If it's not looking realistic, we can just change it and select a different section, and you can see that's blending in really nicely. You can just click slowly or make the circle bigger, whichever is going to work for you. And this seems to be working fine because we're holding it down now. We're holding it down, so it's still looking. You see there, it's not taking that out, so I need to kind of redo something. So we'll just hold the option here. We'll just press some clicks just to smooth it out a little bit and make it look how we want, really. So we'll just select that bit there, and you can see it's kind of blending in that area pretty well. It'll get trickier nearer this pole, which it's the flag is obviously on. So we might have to zoom in a little bit, select this part here, and just click around. You can see the clone tool here in action, and you see for some reason it kind of runs out of steam and then stops, but it gives you a preview before you click of what to expect. You know what I'm saying? So we can just go down, and you can do it in one stroke, so it might look a bit smoother. And now we've removed the flag, so we'll just zoom out, but you can see it looks a bit patchy, and it's not really blending in. So we'll just make it bigger, select that area, and just kind of do this, and you can see it's looking blending in really well now. And I don't know about you, but that looks to me like nobody will be able to tell that flag was there, would you? You can see people will believe that. They won't suspect this is it's maybe a bit shoddy here, but that's nitpicking, you know what I mean? You can see it kind of blends in really nicely. Maybe there's something here that's kind of natural, I'm not sure, but that can always be changed with a clone tool. But for me, that looks a very good job of removing that using the clone tool. So it's very powerful as a clone tool, and yeah, it just gives you a bit of an insight, and I hope they help you. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe and hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.